Hi everyone, my name is Anshu Pavane and today I'll be walking you through my analysis of global IT outsourcing and HP's IT strategies. So we will look at what outsourcing means, why companies do it, the pros and the cons, and then dive into HP as a real world example, including a case study and where they are heading next. When we say global IT outsourcing, we are talking about handing over certain technology functions to a partner company that might even be on the other side of the world. For example, US tech firm could hire developers in India to build a test software while the US team is sleeps. So work keeps moving 24/7. It's not just about cutting costs, it's about tapping into skills, speeding up the projects, and operating on a truly global clock. Then coming to the next, companies outsource IT for several reasons. First, cost efficiency. Labor costs in certain regions can be much lower, so companies can save a lot without sacrificing quality. And secondly, access to specialized skills that may not be able in-house, like advanced security expertise or niche software development. Thirdly, freeing up their own teams to focus on innovation instead of maintenance. And finally, scalability. If your business suddenly needs to handle a big project, outsourcing allows them to expand quickly without hiring permanent staff. So, the key benefits of IT outsourcing is the benefits go beyond saving money. You can improve services quality because you are working with experts who live or breathe certain technology. You can also launch products faster because global teams can work around the clock, and in many cases, risk is shared, meaning that outsourcing partner takes on part of the responsibility for meeting service levels or managing system downtime. And the drawbacks of IT outsourcing is there is, of course, some outsourcing which are not perfect. So, if you are trusting another company with sensitive data, so there is always a security risk. Quality can vary, especially if the vendor standards don't match yours, and you can also become dependent on them, which makes it harder to switch if things go wrong. So sometimes the contracts have hidden costs that reduces the savings you were expecting, and this was the drawbacks. Here is how global IT outsourcing linking to the HP's IT strategy. HP has built outsourcing directly into its IT strategy. They work with global partners for things like infrastructure management, customer support, and even device lifecycle services. This supports their big picture goals: hybrid cloud adaptation, AI-driven automation, strong cybersecurity, and sustainability. Outsourcing lets them keep their internal teams focused on innovation while partners handle the high-volume operational work. Coming to the HP company overview, a quick snapshot of HP, founded in 1939 in California and now operating over 170 countries. They are known for personal systems like laptops, desktops, printing technology, and 3D printing solutions, which is added more recently. The strategy blends innovation, customer experience, and environmental responsibility. Coming to the HP IT strategy, it's moving away from traditional IT setups and embracing modern cloud-enabled data-driven solutions. They are using analytics and automation to improve speed and flexibility while also building stronger digital services for enterprise clients. A big part of the strategy is making IT infrastructures more agile so they can adapt quickly when market needs change. And how outsourcing impacts HP. For HP outsourcing has measurable results, about 30% drop in operational costs, reinvest which they can reinvest into research and development. Product cycles are about 50% faster, which is critical in tech industry. It also frees up in their house talent to focus on innovation instead of routine operations. But there are risks. For example, during the 2020 chip shortage, global dependency delayed over a million HP orders, and the case studies I have studied is HP and Unilever. It is a great example for IT infrastructure, like global IT infrastructure. HP standards and virtualized universe systems cut IT costs by 20% and improved service performance. Another HP in partnership with NTT Data in 2024 for device lifecycle management, covering procurement, monitoring, and recycling that reduced the costs by 50% and advanced HP sustainability goals. And the future outsourcing at HP is the next integrating AI into outsourced operations, working with eco-focused vendors using hybrid outsourcing models and tightening governance for better security. They are not treating outsourcing as just a cost-cutting tool anymore. It's a part of how they innovate. And coming to the conclusion to wrap up, global IT outsourcing can save money, improve quality, and speed up delivery, but it does not come with the risk. HP shows how outsourcing can be strategic advantage, helping them stay innovative and sustainable and competitive in a fast-moving market. Coming to the references, these are my key sources, including HP's annual reports, Ganter research, and case studies from HP and their partners. Thank you for your attention. I'll be happy if you have any questions, and thank you.